Let's see the interaction of the client and server with DNS and HTTP. We'll prepare one topology by taking one system, one server point, and we'll take one router. To which we can make a cluster. Connect the PC from the fast Ethernet to the router. Similarly, from the to the server point, make the router's IP addresses. It's 192.168.1.1. Turn on the routers from both the ends. This we will take in the other network, that is 5.1. Back to the cluster. Go to the system. Give the configuration. For IP address, we will give as 192.168.1.10 as IP address of the system. Subnet mask by default. Then default gateway will be 192.168.1.1, that is address of the router. Still we have not given the server's IP address, so we will not set the DNS server right now. Now we will go to the server point. Go to the fast Ethernet. Give the IP address in the other subnetwork, that is 192.168.5.10 you can give, or 100 we will give, which will be easier to remember. Subnet mask. You can go to the desktop also and check for the IP address. You can give here the default gateway's IP address as 192.168.1.1 or 5.1 you can give. So we will just ping from the system first to check the connectivity. Ping with the server. So we got the reply. That means we got the connectivity between the client and the server. We will set with the services. HTTP is by default on, and we have to turn on the DNS server. We can write here as any website, or you can take any type of web page. Here need to write the IP address of the server. Add it. So here we got the record as a web page. Turn on this service. Close this. Then we can go to the simulation mode. Go to the edit filters. Just cancel all the packets by clicking on show all and none, because we want to tick only the DNS packet from IPv4 and HTTP packet from miscellaneous. close this, you can see here the list of the events. Now you can go to the PC, go to the web browser. Here, before that, we can give the DNS IP address as server's IP address as 192.168.5.100 and close this. Now you can go to web browser. Here we can give an example like what we have given in the DNS. Same way we can write as example.com, the web page what we expect, and just say go. So we will get here the DNS packets. So the DNS packet will reach to the routers or the cluster. It will go to the server point, come back as a so here we got the HTTP packets also. So first it found out the IP address through the packet, and then it searched for the web page. So here we got the Cisco packet traces web page. You can just close this window or you can just minimize it. So here whatever was the client's expectation from the server, first it found out the IP address by giving only the URL, and after that there is an interaction of the HTTP packets. So you can go to the DNS packet. Here you can see the outbound video details. What is the source IP address, then the destination IP address. When it is from PC to router, from router to server, what are the IP addresses? Okay. You can similarly study the HTTP packets. So how the packets are routed from PC0 to the router, from router to the servers, from server back to the through the routers to the PC. So you can study all these details. Hope this experiment is clear to you all.